Hey guys, this is Insecurelynatural here. Just waking up. It's a bright early in the morning. Right now it is currently 8:38 in the morning. I don't know about y'all, but I'll be randomly waking up and I be wanting to do stuff because I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning, y'all. And I was like, what can I do? One of the things that I've been wanting to do is recolor my hair. And the color that I'm gonna be doing today is Burgundy. The reason why I'm doing Burgundy is because it's September. It's September, y'all. September to me, like all the months that end with timber or ember, to me that just represents fall and winter. September, October, November is like that fall, perfect fall weather. So we're gonna do Burgundy today. I'm not a colorist, y'all. I dyed my hair once before. I did it this color, which is the sienna brown. I'm gonna be using Adore dye. And the colors I'm gonna be using is the Adore Crimson, and this is number 68. This one is the Adore Purple Rage in 116. I don't want it more on the purple side. I want it more on the red side. So that's the reason why I picked up the red and the purple and not the burgundy bliss that they have, because they have a burgundy color, Adore does. But I was like, I want to try to get the exact color I want. So I'm going to be mixing these together. I have my bows. I have 3 bows here. Y'all, I have garbage bags everywhere, on my wall, on my floor, because I refuse to get dye in my kitchen. My hair is already washed. I'm going to be applying it. So let's get it. So the garbage bags is down because I was not playing, sis. I'm not about to get dye all over my kitchen, even on the dishwasher. The step stool, y'all. The step stool is just because I'm short, y'all. I'm 5'2", and you know, your girl gotta reach the top shelf. Short people problems, okay? Alright, so I ended up using more of the crimson. I actually used the whole bottle almost. It was a little bit left, like a little tiny bit left. And I only used half of the Purple Rage, so I didn't use a lot of purple. I put the color on the white paper towel because I wanted you guys to kind of get a gist of the color that I'm going for. So as y'all can see on this one, I found the color. That is the burgundy that I wanted, and I got it, so yeah. So at this point, we're ready to get it popping. We're ready to apply this color, but first we need our gloves because we don't want color everywhere. But sis, I was struggling to get this damn glove on. Like, y'all, it took me to realize that it was on backwards. The texture side goes on the outside. They were reusable, so I cleaned them and I must have turned them inside out, but I eventually got it. And look, hey, because I got it on, y'all. I was pumped. And we're ready. Sectioning the hair. And I'm taking that big section, creating a subsection so that I can start applying this color. So I started off using the brush to apply the color, and I was doing gentle strokes, you know what I'm saying, but I'm impatient. I'm very impatient, and I really like to get in there and make sure that the color is in every hair strand. So as y'all can tell, I just put the brush down and had at it. I went at it, y'all, and I started applying the color this way. And yeah, as y'all can see, I'm working that color in, and it looks pretty dark as I'm applying it, y'all. It looks pretty dark. So I was a little worried that it was too red at first. I felt like maybe I had put too much red because I really did want a burgundy like color. I didn't want the exact burgundy, but I wanted a burgundy like color. So I was getting a little nervous because I was like, sis, this is looking red. But let's continue on. I wanted y'all to see the color and what it was looking like, and I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, the color is vegan free and all of that, but it was defining my curls, y'all. I was like, what? Look at me. I was partying, y'all. It was so much easier to apply than the last time I did the sienna brown. I don't know what the difference was. I don't know if it's because my hair is in a healthier state or what, but it was so much easier to apply this color this time around. So yeah, let's keep it going. Okay, y'all, so my camera cut off due to technical difficulties, but I finished putting the color in my hair. As y'all can see, it's really, really dark. I'm scared because I think it's gonna be more so purple. We gonna find out. According to the door, I'm supposed to sit under the dry for 15 minutes. Some people don't. I've actually been having this color in my hair for a little while now because I was on the phone. But I'm gonna sit under the dry for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all with the color. So, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I washed the color out and I'm so excited because I'm so nervous. I don't know if it's gonna be. Now, don't y'all get discouraged about this color that's on the towel. This is old. This is from when I first dyed my hair. Let's see, y'all. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm nervous. But we gonna see. Let's see what the color turned out to be. Okay. The curls is popping though, fam. The curls is popping. Y'all see it? Now, it's a little dark. Looks on camera, it's really dark. Where I'm looking, it's like, to me, it's like a deep purple. It could be burgundy. Can y'all see? Can y'all see the color? I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go outside so y'all can see. Hold on. Y'all see the color? I'm outside now. To me, it's like a purple color. But then again, it's burgundy. It's not really bright out here either, so. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. All right, so y'all saw the color. Now I'm back to deep condition with the main choice, Ancient Egyptian. This is listed in my favorites, which I got a favorites video coming for y'all soon. If I ain't already posted it by now, I probably already posted it by now. Y'all, like, I'm amazed at just my curls, period. They've come a long way. They've come a long way. I hope y'all like my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe because we got more bomb popping content on the way. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time that I post a lit popping video. Y'all be safe out here because this world is crazy, okay? Deuces.